Every year, we tell ourselves that this year is going to be the best year of our life. Then we go ahead to set these audacious goals for the year. But the big question is, at the end of the year, do we actually get to achieve these goals that we set for the year? In most cases, we do not end up achieving our goals, and that is something. So in this video, I want to talk a little bit like one-on-one about how you can achieve your goals for 2024 and make 2024 the best year of your life. It's very simple. And trust me, this is not a magic pill. It requires work. So the first thing that I want you to do is to set a realistic goal for the year. Do not set unrealistic goals. Dear friend, listen, a typical unrealistic goal will be like this. Take a scenario like this one. Someone who do not have any skill set at the moment, and the same person is not working at any job. The same person is not doing anything that will bring in income. But that person went ahead to set a goal to get $1 million by the end of 2024. Let's be honest with yourself. Is that goal a realistic one or unrealistic one? Let me know in the comment section. Is it a realistic or unrealistic goal? That is simply what I want you to avoid. Know that you are capable of doing something. Then go ahead, set a goal around that thing, a goal, a target that you can achieve. Your goal should be a realistic one. By that way, you can do something towards achieving it. You can do something. Something can force you to achieve it. Now, it's totally fine. On a very rare occasions, people set some unrealistic goals and they end up achieving those goals. That is not always the case. It's on very rare occasions. So I want you to note that down. All right, so the second thing that you can do is to step out of your comfort zone. By stepping out of your comfort zone, I mean you have to challenge yourself to do things that will bring you money, but those things are not things that you can achieve on a silver platter. They are things that require work from you. So that means you have to go through some situations that do not feel comfortable with you. But at the end of the day, these situations will help you get something towards your goals for the year 2024. Now, by talking about you stepping out of your comfort zone, I want to offer you a free service here. But before that, I would like you to actually show if you are interested in it or not. It will be a platform that I'll put out there that will actually challenge you on a daily basis. I'll come onto this platform, give you step-by-step guidance on what you can do to make your 2024 the best one of your life, so that you do not waste any time of the year. Because if you are not able to achieve your goals for the year this year, what shows that you'll be able to achieve these goals in the next year to come, and even in the next 5 years to come? There is no guarantee. So I want to set up a platform, a community actually, that I'll come in there every blessed day to make sure I push you. We are going to be doing some challenges in terms of finance and in terms of personal development in general. There are going to be challenges on that particular platform. But before I can put out a platform like that, I want to know from you if you'd like to be part of that, so that you make 2024 the best year of your life. You need an accountability partner, and I am ready to be your accountability partner for free on this platform. So to let me know, just drop a comment below. Let me know the country you are in and just type "I am ready to join." Then you put your country over there. For instance, if you are in the US, just type "I'm ready to join." Then you use US to end it. Or if you're in Nigeria, you can just type "I am ready to join /Nigeria." It's as simple as that. Quickly to the next thing, how to get the best, or how to make 2024 the best year of your life right now, is to reflect on your achievements regularly. Trust me, everybody likes reward. If you've done something and somebody comes to give you a present, give you a gift that, oh, you've done so well in this, so take this as a reward, you'll probably be happy for that. Or won't you be happy? You'll definitely be happy for that, right? So reflecting on your achievement on a regular basis, it is just like a reward. So it's kind of increase your dopamine level, right? let's say you've been making money for some months and you've not actually taken note of it. Then all of a sudden you decide to go back and track your record of what you've been able to make so far. Then you realize that, oh, you've made like $10,000 within this month. Then you'll be like, wow, that alone is a dopamine to you. That alone gives you this motivation to even do more. And that is why I said categorically that you have to reflect on your achievements on regular basis. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these are just 3 things that I've put out there, but none of these things is going to work if you do not put in the work. So everything boils down to you taking action. As it is already out there, it's easier said than done. So it's equally good you put these things to work. If not, you are still not going to get the best out of your life, out of this year 2024. So what are you waiting for? Go start your year on a very good note. And if you like to be part of this community, or if you like me to set up this community that you would like to be part of, in which I'll be challenging you personally, I'm devoting my time to do this, and it's going to be absolutely for free. We're going to be reading books, we're going to be taking up challenges that will actually push us to get the best out of the year 2024. There are some small habits we need to stop right now that will make our year 2024 the best one. Habits like spending unnecessary time on our phone, scrolling up social media here and there. Guys, listen, this thing is not going to help you in any way unless you know exactly what you are doing over there. Social media has been designed to grab your attention, to use your time.